Hi, I'm Susan Milne.
Justin Martin, Noongar artist, and part of the Martin, Milne and Stonehouse team. There's a lot of cultural history within the artwork, and not only is the sculpture a very strong material to represent Noongar people in the southwest, but also the ground plane, which depicts and explains our skin groups and our family groups.
In terms of the collaboration, it's like as a little kind of group, we all respond, we think about what the site needs, and in this case, we thought the ground plane tells the story and the spirit trees representing the spirit of the people and the land here.
Around the Queen's Park area, there's these small little sections which have a lot of wetlands and waterways. And we have the melaleuca trees, which grows in large clusters throughout the waterways and wetlands. Susan, being a terrific artist, came up with the idea of creating a tree. And well, me personally, when I think about the trees that are representative of Noongar people and Noongar culture, I always think about the melaleuca tree.
It's such a learning experience for us working with Justin. The melaleuca is so important because it's used for ceremony, it's used for shelters, it's got medicinal qualities. It does really dance and represent the spirit and the culture of the people here. It's great for us to be involved in this project, and it's fantastic for Justin and his family and First Nations people to have works that are embedded into a new legacy of these kind of infrastructure projects.
Once we get the public in and interacting with the artwork, it will just bring a smile to our faces.